Hey y'all, welcome back to MathRescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to work on compressing logarithms using log properties, which means taking a longer log and rewriting it as a clean logarithm. Take a deep breath. We're going to go slow, break it apart step by step, and make it feel super easy. Let's talk about it. Alright, so we are going to rewrite this as a single logarithm. We have half natural log 16 minus natural log of 4 plus natural log of 5. All right. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the power property of logarithms. This is one of my favorite rules in all of math. Basically what it lets us do is it lets us go between exponent and coefficient. I really like that rule there. All right, and then I'm just going to copy and paste everything that I haven't touched. Okay, next I want to go ahead and see if I can clean this up right here. I have 16 to the 1/2 power, which is, in other words, kind of like saying square root of 16. So I know that the square root of 16 is 4. So let me go ahead and rewrite that. So I get natural log of 4 minus natural log of 4 plus natural log of 5. So I have one here and I have another one here, but this second one is actually being subtracted. So they're actually just going to cancel each other out. And I'm left with natural log of 5. Let's suppose that I did this step differently right here. Let's say that I didn't know what the square root of 16 was, and so let's act like I didn't do that step there. So what we would end up with are a positive term here, a negative term here, and a positive term here. Because these are all base e, I can use the product and quotient property of logarithms, which basically lets me put the arguments together. So I'm going to end up with a single logarithm, natural log, big parentheses. All my pluses are going to be on the numerator, and all my minuses are going to be on the denominator. So I have a positive term at 16 to the 1/2. I have a negative term of 4, and then another positive term of natural log of 5. So from here, we would go ahead and kind of do that same simplification. We do square root of 16, and then the 4's would cancel, and we'd get the same result. All right. I wanted to show you how you find out what goes on the numerator, what goes on the denominator. And it's all based on the symbol in front of the logarithm. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. I post videos regularly, and my goal is to make you feel super confident in math. All right, see you in the next one.